Hi folks, that's it. You're seeing me. I'm not a ghost. I'm back, cooking with Kevin. I know it's been a while, but I had to take time to heal, get better, feel better. Anyways, yeah. So, this Cooking with Kevin, it's a tribute.
Yeah.
Hey, my show, your channel, my show. Zip it. See, it started already. I've been gone for what, 2 months? She's still in her. Anyways, this is a tribute to my American friends. But more so, one particular individual, Andy. I gotta let you guys know that crap you guys get down in the States that you call Canadian bacon is nothing more than glorified lunch meat ham that they package in a package and put Canadian bacon on it and get you guys to buy it. Go, ooh, look, Canadian bacon. That is not Canadian bacon. It's ham. Yuck. I'm not saying it doesn't taste good, but it's ham. Folks, this is Canadian bacon. See this here? I'm even going to bring it in closer. Look at that. Look at the color. Look at that. Right? Look at this stuff on there. That's called cornmeal. Okay? So this is actually called back bacon or female bacon or Canadian bacon. Not ham packaged into an envelope with Canadian bacon put on it. Come on, guys. This is the real deal.
You guys gotta get the real deal down there.
Okay? I'm sure you guys can get this. I'm sure everybody has it. But this is actual Canadian bacon. Canadian back bacon, female, Canadian. So what are we gonna do with this tonight? Something very simple. I'm gonna slice it, put it in the frying pan, throw cheese on it. We're gonna have toasted back bacon and cheese sandwiches. What are we gonna have with it? Some coleslaw. Yeah, we don't do our own cabbage. We just go to the store and buy it. It's a lot quicker. And there's some hash browns. Okay, first thing we're gonna do. We are gonna make the sauce for the coleslaw.
Whose sauce is it?
It's my show, so it's my sauce. It's not your sauce.
No, it's not.
It's your mom's.
It is.
Okay, so we started out with Miracle Whip.
Not mayonnaise.
She said not mayonnaise. But if you want to do it with mayonnaise, do it with mayonnaise. Don't listen to her. Some vinegar, some milk. I don't know if I should tell them the secret ingredient.
It's only sugar.
Sugar. That's it. That's all we do for the sauce. Okay, so about 3 or 4 drops. I don't know how this bottle's gonna work. We just bought it yesterday to replace the other one. Yeah. I'm cooking, she's not, so. Okay, a little bit of milk, sugar. We're gonna stir it up.
And I don't have measurements because I always just watch my mom.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I forgot. There's actually onions to go in too. That's it. That was it for the sauce. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna need a bigger bowl.
I'll stir it. You
Well,
don't-
then here.
You don't
Okay.
need a bigger bowl.
She's gonna stir it.
I need the onions.
Okay, so next thing we're gonna do. I'm gonna turn my oil on. olive oil, by the way. Gonna heat that up. Gonna throw the start cooking the hash browns. While that's heating up, I'm gonna slice up back bacon, Canadian back bacon. I actually have to laugh because I'll be honest. Even in Canada, you'll go in and buy back bacon, and it's the stuff that's in a package that looks like ham. And honestly, the female bacon, back bacon, is very close to ham.
Well, it is pork, so.
Yeah, it's pork. Like it's in that family, but it's not. It comes from a different part.
I never liked it until I got old.
I've always liked it. So I give it a little trick. Okay, so we used to go out to restaurants. I used to get toasted back bacon and cheese all the time for breakfast. But I started getting smart when I went into a lot of the restaurants, because a lot of them in Canada, you have your choice. You can get ham, sausage, bacon, or female back bacon. Well, I look on the menu, a toasted back bacon and Santa, and I'm going back a few years. I'll just say it was $5 or $6, whatever. Breakfast was $4.50 before coffee and everything. I used to start getting smart. I would order a breakfast, get them to put cheese on the back bacon. They charge like 50 cents or something like that. Get my toast, put it in, and I'd had my toasted back bacon and cheese with my eggs and hash browns. So you can beat the system sometimes. All right, so you don't want it too thick. Oh, it was a little too thin. Depending on how many slices you want on your sandwich, 1 or 2.
Probably a couple. It is a little pricey, like that.
It is, but
that chunk was $10.
yeah, I'm pretty sure that's pre-cooked. Because I've had whole, and it's actually more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Usually,
but it doesn't matter.
no, but usually it's not pre-cooked.
No, it's not. But anyways, regardless, doesn't matter. Yeah. So that's it. I got my oil's heating. It should almost be ready to throw these in. And coleslaw's done. So you know what? It's a pretty short video tonight because it's pretty short prep and everything. But I just wanted to sort Andy out. So Andy, consider yourself sorted.
And Amy took us in the grocery store the other day and showed us what they called Canadian bacon, and it was the ham.
It was ham, yeah.
It was funny.
Yeah.
We just make jokes about it.
Well, and like I said, they actually do that here. We can go into stores and they'll say it's Canadian bacon. It's just
No, it's not.
glorified ham packed up saying Canadian bacon. Yeah.
All right, so literally we're just gonna fry that up, right? So we can bring them back when we're making our plate.
Yeah, I'm just gonna fry
All right.
some of these up. All right, hash browns are done. Bacon's done. So we got it on the toast. Oh, yummy cheese. Okay, so we'll bring you back when we're back at the table. So, that's it. It's on the plate. Yummy coleslaw. We cheated to get it chilled. I threw it in the freezer.
Only for about 5-10 minutes.
Yeah, I hate warm coleslaw.
Show us the sandwich.
No, I'm taking another bite of coleslaw. Leave me alone. Okay. Look at that yummy sandwich with that cheese. Now, it's up. You can use real cheese. This is just cheese slices. It's whatever you want, but I love it.
Yummy. Here's my plate. I got the same thing. And there's my sandwich. All right.
Yep. And the hash brown with it. And cheese stuck to my teeth. Anyways, so that's it. I know it's a short clip this week. And I'm back. I'll be honest, I don't know if I'm going to be back every week. Because I'm just trying to do different stuff slowly because, to be honest, I still have some issues with my back. And there's just times that when we're out and we do too much during the day, it really, really wears me out. So that's it.
Put ideas in the comments.
Oh yeah, yeah, absolutely. Put ideas in the comments. If you're not a subscriber, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell notification button down below or at the side, whatever way, right? Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching.